is Gene Expert of Cepheid company. We have three modules, B1, B2, B3. This is module 4, B4, which is not working. You need to buy each individual module. This is the home screen of the software. As you can see, you have to create a test. Once you click on that, you have to fill in the details of patient ID, sample ID, last name. Assay for this will be TB, rifampicin resistant MTB TB, and details, and then you have to scan the barcode using this barcode scanner, and after that the cartridge is there. You are supposed to load the cartridge for one sample, one cartridge in this individual B1, B2 or B3 module, whichever you have selected, and then you have to check the status and then run the test. So processing time is remaining over here, it is 35 minutes. Actual processing time is somewhere around 1 hour 30 minutes, and after that you can see the result by clicking on view result option. So for example, if it is detected, then the result will come as MTB detected, rifampicin resistance is not detected in this particular case. If it is not detected, so for example, so again in this it is rifampicin resistance is not detected, MTB resistance is detected, and you can see the peaks over here. Okay, this is cycle and this is fluorescence. Okay, so as you can see, sigmoidal curves are there, so there is a chance that it is going to be positive. So this is how you can interpret the result, and this is the specimen sample ID. This is CSF was the sample type, and then this is the module, and this is the start time, and this is the end time. Status done, user Gene Expert. So this is how you can work on Gene Expert and do the result analysis interpretation. We will just see for a negative sample. So you can select it date wise if you want to see the result. These are the CT value, these are the proof check. Okay. This is the result for a negative sample.